Alright, here we go. In 10, 9,
I got
8, 7.
It's fun to watch.
Oh. Oh. Look at my body shell. Oh. There we go. Oh. Wow. Oh. Oh, man. Oops. Oh. Whoops. Oh.
Yes, that's my phone.
Oh. Almost. Oh no. I propose sacrificing some venue space to make the track wider. Oops. Sorry. Ah, I see. Oh no, no. People don't need space to stand. They can.
Pretty standard mini track size.
Is it?
Yeah. So the
And
mini tiles
whoops.
are 50 by 50. And
Oh,
these tiles
serious?
are 4 by 44. So they're only 5 centimeters smaller.
Maybe that 5 centimeters makes all the difference. Oh, my body shell. Oh, not again. There we go. There we go. Can I get a clean lap in? Oops. I went underneath someone. God darn it.
I was fighting you for position. I was like, come back here, friend.
I just want a clean lap. No! No! It's gone alright at the end. Okay. Oops.
Zip. You see my sacrifice? I was like, straight into the side of the wall. Someone's lost something. My eyes turn to you.
Someone's lost something. I've lost a lot of laps.
No.